The Oppo's latest smartphone called Oppo Find X8 is now official in India, and it is slightly downgraded version of the Oppo Find X8 Pro smartphone, but with quite similar design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Oppo Find X8 smartphone. The Oppo Find X8 features a 6.59-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, paired with Immortalis G925MC12 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. In terms of optics, the Oppo Find X8 sports an Hasselblad-featured triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view, along with the another 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 15 out of the box, with ColorOS 15 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5630 mAh battery, with 80 watts wired fast charging support, and 50 watts wireless fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 157.35 by 74.33 by 7.85 millimeters, and it weighs around 193 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo Find X8 has been priced in India for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 69,999 Indian rupees, while the 16GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 79,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in space black and star gray color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Find X8 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.